Yes folks, a little bit of a different video today. I was going into town and I realized there's no train traffic today on this Sunday. So I was like, well, let's do it a little different. Let's just take the replacement bus that goes from Sollentuna to Solna and film it. So no walk today, but another day, another drive, another ride, I don't know. But anyway, enjoy folks. It's nice to mix it up a little bit, you know. Although it feels a bit weird, but sitting on the bus talking, driving and talking. It's a nice sunny day anyway, so all good. Not even sure if you can hear me with the noise of the bus, but I'll do the best I can. Summer now, so nice. Nice because this replacement bus for the train line is like going in different places that I usually don't go, so neighborhood. I'm not gonna lie, it feels awkward to talk to myself on the bus. So I hope everyone's doing great. Shout out to the chat gang. Having a great weekend. Oh, it's nice. It's actually following the train stations along the way. That's quite nice. So now we're at Helenelund. Not so many people on the bus, but in the opposite direction there. Getting ready for Malta, which is in like, it's on the 24th. I'm going with Midsummer. So I know some people wanted to meet me around Midsummer. So actually on Midsummer it's a bit hard, but before this should be possible. I know there's a few people that have written to me, like Marco has written to me, some guy from India, and also some couple from Hong Kong. I know you're all watching, so yeah, I did get all your emails. I do want to meet you. It's just I have a lot of things to do right now, so I have to go through my emails and properly answer them. So if you're waiting for a reply, I'm really sorry about that, but I will get back to you very soon. It's so nice and green here in this residential areas. I don't think I've ever really been here much, or at all maybe. tomorrow is actually Sweden's National Day, Nationaldagen as we call it, and yes, there will be a celebration in Sollentuna, and I will go and visit it. So that should be fun. Might bring one of my kids or both kids or whatever. I'll wait and see, but there should be fun. There should be some festivities. Is that a word? Festivities? Yeah. So some music, some speeches, some folklore dancing maybe. So typical Swedish thing. It's like one of those things together with, like, you know, midsummer, etc, etc. It's typical Swedish vibe, so can't really miss out. So now we're driving into Ulriksdal towards Solna. This new area, I did a walk here not that long time ago. At least for a change, I'm not getting tired of a walk. Not really a walk, of a sit and talk. Not much traffic. I think in general Stockholm has very little traffic compared to other capitals around the world. Oh, here you can see very clearly all the new stuff they're building, and they're far from done yet. All new apartments everywhere you look. Not sure how clear the image is because the window of the bus is a bit dirty, a bit dusty. Pelican self-storage, yes. If you want to have like an extra room where you have no space in your apartment, you can rent the storage units here. Always reminds me of that TV program that they have where people buy like the full storages, like that people maybe haven't paid their rent or they got evicted or whatever, and then some people buy them and then they see what's in there and they sell it. It's quite a funny TV show actually. I don't know if that make any. I think it's called Storage Wars, maybe something like that. Yeah. Sometimes it's nothing. It's worth nothing. They pay like $800 for a storage unit that's worth only $50, and sometimes they find a lot of gold and antiques that's worth $10,000s of dollars. So you never know what you're gonna get. It's fun. Love all these, I think it's called meadows in English, so green and nice. So now we're on the highway. It's probably the first time on my channel I'm actually on the highway, and well, in general I don't go on the highway much. The only time I ever go on the highway is maybe when I'm like after a night out and I take a Uber back home, which only happens a few times a year, so it's very rare I'm on the highway going this fast. It's quite funny because I guess most people are on the highway every single day, but not me. So I think the next stop should be Solna station. So it's quite of a short ride today, not too far. There's quite a bit of luggage with me, so I actually have to turn the camera off when we get there, because I'm doing something in the city and I had to bring some food and some things, so 2 full bags of stuff. Oh, what's happened here, people? It's because it's a replacement bus. It's one of the old ones. Normally buses don't look this damaged here. But this is probably like a 90s bus that they use when the trains are not working. They're probably doing some maintenance on the railway, I'm not sure. Right, so we're entering Solna now. I've walked in this area as well. Well, where haven't I walked? Feels like I've been walking in most places, in Solna anyway. Well, not just in Solna, the whole of Stockholm. There were the friends of the police. Like yesterday I was mentioning it, or the day before yesterday, that people are quite positive here about the police. I know it's not always the case in other countries, but I've never had any issues there. Again, here the building everywhere in Solna. This whole area from Helendelund, Ulriksdal, Solna, Sundbyberg, Bromma, building. Det växer så det knakar. It's like an expression in Sweden. We can use that as the expression of the day, or the word of the day, however you want to call it. Feels like I'm talking really softly today. Because if I talk very loud on the bus, people think I'm a lunatic. So it's like, oh, it's a guy talking to himself. What's happening? Because they can't see the camera, Ursvik. Oh, there I also have to do a walk soon. Ursvik. Where are we? Oh, now I see we're at Ulriksdal still, I think, which is part of Solna. Can't believe he managed to park here. Camper van. You can see the tourist season starting. You can see camper vans everywhere now. Another replacement bus, a yellow one. Never see yellow buses in Stockholm. Yes, Ulriksdalshallen here. Now we're almost at the Ulriksdal station. Ulriksdalsskolan. Yeah, it is maybe not the most exciting walk ever, but whatever. Not the most exciting video, I mean. Because it's not a walk. Still gives you that, daily life Sweden vibe. Tomorrow I'll have a more fun video when it's National Day. I'm looking forward to that, actually. Not just to the video, but the actual National Day is nice because everyone has a day off. It's a good atmosphere, it's gonna be good weather, 20 plus degrees. Like today it's like full summer, at least Swedish full summer. I know other countries don't think 21 degrees is full summer, but for us it is. It feels great. I'm wearing t-shirts, shorts, and it's nice. The video is a bit longer than I thought. I thought maybe it's only 10 minutes, but it always takes a bit of a detour, the bus.